Hi everyone, my name is Jeff Fastbinder with the Line, and today we're going to go over the new 3GX 2.0 firmware. There are some differences between 1.2 and 2.0 versions, such as the newly added flight mode setting. This allows you to customize the flight controls to suit your individual flying style. Now let's go through these settings in version 2.0. An important note when setting up firmware version 2.0 is that servo orientation needs to be in the following manner. Servo on the right side of the heli should be aileron, middle the elevator function, and left side pitch. DIR mechanical neutral point setting. All 3GX settings must be redone after updating the firmware. Here we'll perform the flybarless system settings where we set up the swash plate. Similar to the previous versions, enter the setup by first turning on the transmitter and then hold the 3GX set button while powering up the heli electronics. The 5 LEDs on the 3GX will light up sequentially. Release the set button before the LED goes off to enter the flybarless setup mode. First setting is the DIR mechanical travel and neutral setup. So let's go ahead and do that. Go ahead and power up the helicopter. I already have my radio turned on here. And we'll watch the LEDs. While in DIR mode, we will set the heli's neutral point direction and the needed collective cyclic pitch range. A critical point to be aware of in version 2.0 is the cyclic pitch range must be fixed at 8 degrees. This will optimize the helicopter's performance. Cyclic pitch adjustment for aileron and elevator can be done separately, but remember to reset your digital pitch gauge to 0 when measuring aileron and elevator pitch. Here we'll use a simple method where we adjust the aileron cyclic pitch first, and then use the same value for the elevator. Here the pitch is already at 0 degrees position, as you'll see your digital pitch gauge right there. And we'll proceed to adjust the aileron pitch by pushing the aileron stick all the way over, and we'll see that, well, right now you have 7.6. Let me adjust in my swash menu this value to a value of 8 degrees. Now the cyclic pitch is set at 8 degrees. Apply that same value from your swash menu onto your elevator in the swash menu. This completes the cyclic pitch setup. After setting DIR mode, press the set to enter swash plate mixing type recognition and elevator travel setup mode. Ensure the pitch is at 0 degrees. Then push the elevator stick forward and let it return to neutral. This completes the setup. Now press set button to enter elevator direction setting. To recognize the elevator gyro direction, tilt the helicopter forward and watch the swash plate tilt the opposite direction. If the direction is incorrect, push the elevator stick to the reverse direction. Finally, confirm the correct direction swash plate is compensating. Now push the set button to enter aileron travel setting. Ensure the helicopter pitch is 0 and push the aileron stick over to the right there and let it return to neutral. This completes the setup. Now press set to enter aileron direction setting. To recognize the aileron gyro direction, tilt the helicopter to the side and watch the swash plate tilt the opposite direction. If the direction is incorrect, push the aileron stick the reverse direction and confirm the correct direction swash plate is compensating. Finally, press the Set button again to complete the flybarless system settings.